Blessings to all my brothers and sisters worldwide. This is St. John the Divine, one and only, the true John the Baptist. I'm back like a new jack. I'd like to give thanks and praises to the Most High, Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie I, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, and the rest of the angels and the High Council, the unseen ones. Hey, Babylon boy, this is 2015. I Rastaman give enough time to prove your case against I, a high priest, messiah, and king. A guy on a finish, yeah? When I'm thinking about, there's a place where I, Rastaman, are going to send you. It's called the abyss, the bottomless pit for your ungodly, wicked, evil, devious, disgusting things on the door. So, I, Rastaman, bless all 12 tribes of Judah. Jano. And now I, with the N.T.C. Coalition and Nubian Knights. Watch it. We're coming out, baby, hardcore like a new jack. And we come with the word of wisdom, the word of will from the Most High, Rastafari. Jano. Booms. Lord of mercy. One love. Big it up, moms, and the rest of the family. Representing the 403, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Original, J.A. Kingston 5, Big It Up, International and Large. Jamaica, the only little island that is so spiritual and make the whole world quake. And when we sing my rub-a-dub music, ooh, it's like breaking bones with stones. Gotta beat so sweet and make you need them knock all week. Anyways, this is Johnny saying 20. We're done with all of the wickedness in 2015. The page turned. I feel my time for shine. Watch it, Babylon boy. I don't want you. You know, so the Pope take flight after I drop him picture. Not a word. All up to now, my phone don't ring. It's alright, Babylon boy. I don't tell you. I'm the wrong king you choose to take counsel against. I'm going with your wickedness. Alright, I turned the other cheek many times. Well, the cheek don't stop. Turn. This is a stiff neck now. And if a holy war on a want, there's a big guy, him named the Conquering Lion. And then after him, the Lord of Lords. And then Gabriel, Michael, faithful and true, and the rest of the crew. Lord, little guy. Let me put it so you can understand. Little guy, you're like an atom on the grand scheme of things. And if you think you're going to beat my daddy, just you wait. This is a date you're not going to miss. And I guarantee you that. Enough love. Anyways, this is John the Baptist saying, catch you on the rebound. This is the 7th day of the new year. Watch it. New leaf, new page, new lease on life. All my brothers and sisters are free. And if them want to stop your freedom, by any means necessary, defend that, yeah? Johnny out. Enough love. Coming out of Calgary, Alberta, Canada.